the winner of the Humanitarian Award, Mrs. Neeta Mukesh Ambani.
Neeta Ambani, you are not just loved and known so well in India, you are in fact known across the world. You can't change the world, but you can do your bit. And my goodness, you do so much. Thank you so much.
Namaskar. Thank you for this honor. Throughout my journey, I've been guided by the timeless Indian principles of Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. I firmly believe that women will play the most important role in making the world a better place. This century belongs to women. For what women cannot do cannot be done.
Over the years, I have witnessed Neeta ma'am's profound impact through her various endeavors. She's been a true trailblazer and someone who I know is not stopping anytime soon. I, for one, cannot wait to see what else she has planned for us. Congratulations, Neeta ma'am. Truly well deserved.